पॉपुलर पाइप्स ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज़ की बुनियाद हाजी शेख मोहम्मद रफ़ीक रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ने 1975 में क्वालिटी की बुनियाद पर रखी। आज हमारा इदारा इंडस्ट्री में पायनियर की हैसियत से जाना जाता है। अदारा में बनने वाली प्रोडक्ट्स ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान बल्कि पाकिस्तान से बाहर भी अपनी पहचान बना रही हैं।
Popular Pipe Group of companies and its vision to have a successful roadmap for the future, powered by technological advancements, decided to implement SAP Business One across the group, having 13 legal entities. With excellence delivered, platinum partners of SAP from Pakistan. The implementation of SAP Business One complements our strategic requirements and future roadmap of the company. As a key strategic business partner, Excellence Deliver and its team of consultants guided us on the industrial best practices and trained our employees to achieve the best from SAP Business One. With the help of Excellence Delivered, the implementation of SAP has streamlined our whole organization. Today, our team has complete visibility over our automated production facility and real-time business insights. Moreover, our decision-making process in terms of financial management has greatly improved through the real-time reporting of SAP Business One. Keeping in mind the success of this implementation, I would recommend companies across all industries to trust Excellence Delivered to be their key strategic business partners.
मैं मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूं अपने बिज़नेस पार्टनर ExD की टीम और PPG की टीम, जिनकी मुश्तरका मेहनत से हम पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी SAP B1 की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने में कामयाब हुए।